Alright guys, here's the scoop. I didn't film qualifying for the tournament that I'm bowling because I made a lot of swing changes. I just wanted to focus on bowling. We're bowling on something hard. But then I'm the 2 seed and we're bowling match play today, so I decided I'll pull out the camera, I'm gonna mic myself up, and I'm just gonna take you through the process of match play, and I'm gonna try to be very vocal and talk about like what I'm thinking. Hopefully it's not bad things like I suck and why am I bowling. It's double elimination, 2-game total pinfall. So we'll just see what happens and we'll just have some fun with it. I'm gonna go let these boys out now. If I beat you today, do I become the king of Sacramento?
You gotta beat me more than once, bro.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, they're a little tighter already. It's a good spare. Oh, good try. They're a little tighter, so we're just gonna throw it a hair slower is all. Huh. That's pretty good, honestly. A little smooth culture to it. Like even those 3 pins aren't trying to hook like the spare pins. They're just that much tighter. We'll just move 1 and 1 closer to it. One with our eyes, one with our feet. I know it cracks off the gutter, but not really in a good way. That was really good. And it hooked immediately. 3 pin, 3 pin, move off it, big 4. Not the big 4, we got a little bit better count than that. Well, that tells me I need a ball change already. So we're gonna ball change already. All right, so the black ball tells me that when I'm a little further away from the friction at the gutter, it doesn't quite want to change direction where I 3 pin, 3 pin. And then I move closer to it and it got offline 2 swings is too early. So I'm going to go back a little bit right, just a couple, with a stronger urethane where I 3 pin. Trying to make it hook from there. Get away from that early hook. Well, I hit the 1-2, so that's a start, I guess. Good spare. All right, that was closer. Wasn't great, but it was closer. All right, same thing. I'm just gonna throw it a little slower. That was so good. Really good shot. So through 5 frames apiece, I've gone 3 pin, 3 pin, move off it, through the face, ball change, flat 7, wrap 7. He's gone strike 4 pin, Brooklyn, Brooklyn, Brooklyn. So this pair's pretty tricky for both of us early. So I think it's gonna come down to who stays closer and who fills frames a little bit more. I'm just gonna dare to wrap 7 again. That'll hook. Not very convincing, was it? I will say these racks aren't great, and I'm not one to really complain about racks or talk about them or look at them. But yesterday, I left the pocket head pin. I just want you guys to know that. Head pin stood up back in the 10 spot for 269. 2 really good shots there. Let's make it a 3rd in a row. Pretty good. That was a good shot. It was in a little bit. Yeah. It wasn't a great shot. Nope. Out the back. There you go. That's better. Come off it. I mean, these are a mile tighter than yesterday. All right, that's a convincing one. It's like the 2nd convincing one yet. It's pretty good.
On here and I looked up and they're interviewing you on TV. I was like, whoa, this is...
So the match before me was actually 2 lefties. One threw urethane the whole time, one threw reactive half the time, and then urethane the other time. And you get no practice shots going to the pair. So the first shot I threw hooked immediately and went Brooklyn. I immediately moved about 7 right, and we're in the purple, and we're gonna soft hook it like I like to do. It's pretty close. That's a good shot. Gotta really focus on kind of floating it through the front part of the lane there. I don't want it to burn up too quick, which is what the miss has been every time. Picks up too early no matter where it goes on the lane. Maybe. It's a good shot. Gotta have those if you want to win tough matches, okay? And this is a tough match. It's a good shot. Immediately give one back. Light trickler, 10 falls late, then the blow your back out 10. That'll hook down lane. Shot. All right, good game. Not the best. Got away with one there. Wasn't the best shot. Well, boys and girls, if girls are watching, we got some work to do because I'm bowling against the only guy that's shooting over 180 and he's bowling 270. So we got some work to do. It's a really good shot. If you would have told me I would have bowled 480 coming to the pair with lefties and not having a clue what it was going to do, I would say I was going to win by a mile. I'm getting my head kicked in. I'm catching the only person that's averaging more than 210. So here's what it is, part of the bracket. And we got a long ways to go because it's double elimination. So I'm now in the loser's bracket. Got to bowl a whole bunch more. Guys, we call that the blow your back out 10 pin. If you don't remember from the tour season, it's the blow your back out 10. If you say that you won't break my heart, hope you know I've heard that lie. Once or twice, 100 times, I don't think I can give another try. Alright guys, so at this point of the tournament, I see what the lanes are asking of me. I'm pretty dialed in mechanically, like I feel like I'm throwing the ball well. And when a pair is a little wonky, I see the adjustment very quick. Scores are low and mine are getting a little bit higher. So all you gotta do now, stick to the process, make good shots, hope that my ball reaction stays the same on most pairs, and just try to chug along. We don't care how we love. This was not in my plan. No, I wasn't looking for love. Honestly, I gave up. And I cannot explain it, but you know the pain. I never thought I'd say this, but I love the way you held me by my memory. I've been broken, was down and hopeless, trapped inside of my brain. Yeah, you know the pain. So let's. All right, the name of this game, Survive and Advance. We're bowling good. Getting a little tired. My hand hurts for some reason. I've made a pretty big swing change and kind of using a little bit different muscles than I typically use when I bowl. I'm feeling it a little bit, but we're still bowling good. I think we're in the top 6 now. Many more matches to go to snag a dub. Let's keep snagging some wins one at a time.
Gotta say, you know you made my day. Right when I see your face, don't wanna be in another place. We plan a trip, we vibe, we laugh, we yell, we cry. I want it every night. Oh, yeah, I need it. I'm not leaving. There's no reason I won't give you everything. Stop the bleeding, no more bleeding. Oh no.
I struck, I guess. 79-79 on this one. They're not easy at all. Again, I just see the motion. I'm physically throwing it really well right now. We're just staying in the process. On to the next match. Final 4. Here we go.
You help me by my memory. I've been broken, was down and hopeless, trapped inside of my brain. Yeah, you know the pain, so let's replace the memory. Let's just enjoy the company. Don't overthink, won't change a thing. I love the
Kid let me beat him. He's very nice. He's very generous. He knows that I have bills to pay and he doesn't. So he let me win. I shot 500. Bowling well. We're on to the semifinals. Let's go.
Oh, I love the company, yeah, yeah. Just enjoy, don't make a noise. We be up late, not saying a word. This is filling a void, kind of annoyed. Didn't wanna fall in love, but the tables have turned. And I admit it that I'm caught up in my feelings.
I'm here for my revenge. Title match. It's been a long day. I have to beat Brandon twice. He is the one who beat me. So I want a little bit of revenge, but it's been a long day bowling. We got to beat him twice. It's just single games, so I got to beat him 2 games. I don't even know if I make sense right now because I'm so tired, but 2 games to win the whole shebang.
Know that we are ready and it isn't safe, but I could never be the one to give it space. Tell me this is working in a different way. I'm on cloud 9, really high. Tell me what you like, I'll supply. It's do or die, then it's suicide. Tell me it's fine, it'll be alright. Let's just enjoy the company. Don't overthink, won't change a thing. I love the company. Oh, I love the company. Yeah, yeah. Let's just enjoy the company. Don't overthink, won't change a thing. I love the company. Oh, I love the company. Yeah.
1 game, winner wins the tournament that we're trying to win when we're here bowling to win it. So, 1 game, let's get it
I
done.
know this might sound insane. I wouldn't want it any other way. No one will disagree. Really can see our connection. This isn't me. Feel like I need your affection. And now I know. Wait, I think. Yeah, but now I know. I said before my heart's been broken to pieces. Never thought I could love again. So hopeless. I need it. And I'm on cloud 9, really high. Tell me what you like, I'll supply. It's do or die, then it's suicide. Tell me it's fine, it'll be alright. Let's just enjoy the company. Don't overthink, won't change a thing. I love the company. Oh, I love the company. Yeah, yeah. Let's just enjoy.
All right, all that, and it comes to the end where Brandon nutted up and had the front 9 against me. I'll be the first to tell you, he needed all of that. My low game for a like 8 game span was like 240 when I was trying in the 10th. and he bowled a great game. I'm literally not mad at all. I bowled really well. I've made a lot of swing changes, so it's nice to see them in play on something tougher. No complaints. He bowled good. He deserves a win, honestly. 277 front 9 on something tougher. I gave him 250, so it's not like he just had no pressure. So great bowling to him. Great bowling to myself. I'll take it. And we will move on to the next event because I will be bowling a lot more. I'll be filming a lot more. We'll be seeing you guys around. Love you forever. Bye.